Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your new Optus modem. First, carefully unbox your new modem and ensure all components like the power adapter and cables are present. Next, connect the power cable to the modem and then to a power outlet, but don't turn it on just yet. Finally, locate the DSL or NBN cable and securely plug it into the corresponding port on the back of your modem. This ensures your modem is ready for activation. Now, let's get your devices connected. If you're using a desktop computer, connect one end of an Ethernet cable to a yellow LAN port on the modem and the other end to your computer's Ethernet port. For wireless devices, find the Wi-Fi network name, also known as SSID, and the password printed on the modem's label. Use these details to connect your smartphones, tablets, and other Wi-Fi-enabled devices. With everything connected, it's time to power up. Turn on your modem and wait a few minutes for the indicator lights to become stable, usually solid green or blue. Then, open a web browser on a connected device. You should be redirected to the Optus setup page. Follow the on-screen instructions to activate your service. Once complete, try visiting a favorite website to confirm your internet is working perfectly. If you encounter any issues, don't worry, troubleshooting is straightforward. A simple restart of your modem and connected devices can often resolve minor glitches. Always double-check that all cables are firmly plugged in at both ends. For better Wi-Fi performance, try positioning your modem in a central, open area, away from obstructions. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Optus Internet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.